Happy Mother's Day. Today we're going to be talking about some of the wonderful things you can do for your mom for Mother's Day. There are lots of things, and Mother's Day is coming up. One of the things you can do is make a beautiful Mother's Day card to show your mom that you love and appreciate them. You can also give them presents like flowers or something special. Give them lots of love, hugs, and kisses, and appreciate them. You can even make a lovely Mother's Day breakfast or help them clean up around the house. There are lots of things you can do to make your mom feel loved and special this Mother's Day. Be sure to tell your mom how much you love them and you appreciate all the things they do for you. Happy Mother's Day from TriniKidsTV, and we hope you enjoy your special day.